I have so many theories and opinions on this, especially through research that I've done, including ADHD, empathy, even depression, and how it's correlated and connected through parental wounds. However, the main focus that's not really talked about is how to repair this. It doesn't matter how it was created in the past. Trauma is trauma. We've all gone through trauma. What matters is exactly what you share right here. I want to do better for my kids. You get to choose to be better for your kids by repairing your own wounds, learning new tools, regulating your nervous system, expressing your needs, understanding your needs, because that's number one. That's foundation number one, is understanding what needs have gone unmet. What I express to my clients is being able to understand what those needs are will allow you to get a little bit closer to being able to express them, to set healthy boundaries, because now you know, oh wait, I want to feel heard. And because I'm not feeling heard by myself, I need to go and do those exercises that I learned. And once I do those exercises that I learned, now I can go to my partner and say, I need a few moments to myself because I'm feeling very overwhelmed right now with the dishes, the children screaming, etc. How crazy of a thought to take time for yourself in order to be able to take care of the family. And I know this is a crazy concept, especially if you were raised similar to me, where this is not a concept that actually was shown by your parent. So again, start with repairing your own wounds. What do those look like? Start becoming your own inner mother. And if you need a little bit more guidance, go ahead and grab my Monumental Healing course that's in my Stand store as well. And make sure to keep asking questions because I will answer as much as I possibly can.